Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and we are back again with another video to help you on your adventure with Coturnix quail and becoming more self-sufficient. Now, in this video, we're going to try to help you with one of the biggest issues people have with Coturnix quail. So there's pros and cons to raising quail or chickens or any animal on a homestead, a backyard, or anything like that. One of the major issues is fly prevention. They can get way out of control, especially during the summer. So we are going to go through some helpful tips that we've learned along the way that will help you eliminate a big portion of them. You're not going to get rid of all of them. It's just not going to happen. Give up the fight. You're going to lose. But you can prevent them a lot and help reduce the population. So we're going to go through some simple ones real quick, and that's obviously keep it clean. The more clean you have it, the less flies you'll have, right? We won't go into depth on that one. That's pretty self-explanatory. We also do the poop every day. Now, we don't have trays. We've got a poop system. It's on the playlist Papa Builder of Things, but it goes into a gutter. We wash it to a septic system and it filters through. So we do the poop every day. That helps eliminate the population of the flies. Now, I do understand that if you have trays, it's just not reasonable to say that you're going to do the poop every day. But the more times you can do it in a week, the less issues you'll have with flies. Another one that's a little simple is fans. So during the summer, obviously it's hot out. Flies are at their highest population. They need circulation. The quail need circulation, right? So if you can put a fan in there, that actually helps with the fly prevention as well, because even a small little fan is powerful for a fly, so they don't really land, and so they keep flying around. And then eventually when they get tired, they kind of just go away to land somewhere else. So fans work really well. We've got two main industrial fans up top, but we also bought one of the ones that are on wheels. I think it's like a 20-inch, and that really seems to help a lot. We could probably get another one or two of them, but in the area where the fan is blowing, there's absolutely no flies in that path, which is kind of nice. So fans will work. Now, water. Flies don't like water. They don't like landing on water, this, that, and the other. So we pressure wash the barn once a week because I want things clean where I work, right? But on the days that we don't pressure wash, we actually just take a hose and just water the floor down real quick. Nothing special, but that really prevents them from landing. So again, they kind of fly up or over or above the cages or whatever the case may be, kind of out of my way. Now, all of those will kind of help you out. We don't really recommend, in fact, I don't think I've ever recommended any poison or chemical or anything like that. The only thing that we've ever used in the barn is bleach, and that's in a little floor pan. I had to say it right. Once you walk in to wash your feet off, wash your shoes off. But that's the only thing we use. So sterilizing or cleaning the brooders or the incubators or anything like that, we use at the most, we use water and we use Listerine, but we don't use any hard chemicals. Now, with that being said, the flies seem to be way out of control this year. So George looked and said, let's put some poison down. And I said, eh. And then like 3 of them flew in my mouth. And I was like, do it. So we ordered some fly poison. It came in yesterday. He opened it up, and I go big, so I bought like a 5-pound thing. I don't know why I bought so much. It's a big barn, but anyways, you can see he kind of opened it up and didn't really use that much. Like, you can see the top of it. Anyways, he sprinkled some in the shipping room and he sprinkled some in the main barn pathway. I walked in this morning and there was probably 2,000 flies just dead on the floor. So I just squeegeed them up into the gutter, turned the water on, and it went into the septic system. I am really impressed. This is called, I don't know, Quick Strike fly bait. Now, obviously, this needs to be out of reach of children or other animals, or like you wouldn't be able to put this in your aviary. If they're on the ground, you can't do it. But if they're in cages, put it on the ground. I've heard someone put it in their poop pan before and walk out the next day and all kinds of flies are dead in the poop pan. So if you're okay with using a poison, this fly bait stuff is no joke. I mean, it's the real deal. I'm really impressed with it. We're gonna continue to do it here at the farm. I'm gonna start putting it in the garage as well. So I'm really excited about that. It is on a link to our Amazon store. Obviously, you can just type it in and search for it. But if you go into the description and do the Amazon store link, it'll be on there for you. You can buy it on Amazon. It took like 3 days to get here. It's pretty inexpensive. I spent $18 on this 5 pound, but they've got like half pound, 1 pound, all kinds of different stuff. Now we have tried like the fly, you know, straps, where you pull out and just hang it. We've done that before and that works, except for there just seems to be more flies than what the strap can hold. So you're always switching them out, things like that. Last year we bought one of those where they fly in and then they can't get out. I wasn't too impressed with it. It worked, but it didn't work a lot. So those are my recommendations for fly prevention. I hope that helps. I'm telling you, the fans in the water really do help a lot, but I'm telling you what, this fly bait is no joke. I'm really excited about it. I collected eggs today, went to the post office, and maybe saw 10 flies in the entire barn still alive, which is phenomenal because it's summer. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, comment below. I try to check the comments daily on our YouTube channel. And remember, every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, for a live question and answer where you ask the questions and we help you on your adventure with Coturnix quail. So thank you for watching. Until next time, everybody, stay safe.